In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this fast light travel illusion in 4 minutes. I'm using Eevee with bloom turned on. Also, this animation is 100 frames long. Let's create a torus. Ctrl 3 to subdivide, and right-click to shade smooth. By the way, this material is semi-transparent. Please match my settings. Here are the full nodes. If we're using a Node Wrangler add-on, we can deactivate any nodes in the node editor by using its mute feature. Meaning we don't need to disconnect any nodes to see what the material is going to look like. We can also select multiple nodes and type M to mute as well. To unmute, type M again. By using this mute feature, we can easily preview each node to see how they are doing. Please set the camera's render view from the center of the scene. To get the light travel effect, we must animate the Z rotation of the torus mesh. On the first frame, set a new keyframe on the default Z rotation value. In the last frame, change the Z to 359 and set a new keyframe. There's a default slowness issue near the start and the end of the frame. In Animation tab, go to Channel, Extrapolation Mode, and select Linear Extrapolation Mode to fix that issue. Please remember to stretch the Z scale of the material. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.